Now you are going to build the front that will be opposite the back of the cage, hood, or stand that you have already built. The biggest differences will be that the front panel will have the sliding doors, which will go into the frame differently than the other types of panels, and that you will be building the section on its front. The outside of the cage is facing the floor and the inside is facing up. You will need the 4 33C aluminum frame pieces, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, that are designated for the front of the section. 4 corner joints. 8 draw wedges. 8 button head socket screws. The 2 sliding door panels, one will have an inside sticker and the other will have an outside sticker. And the hex Allen wrench. Just like you did for the back of the section, lay out all the parts for the front into positions that they will be oriented. Remember that you are building the front of the cage on its face, with the inside of the cage facing up. Make careful note of the sliding door panels. They will be labeled with a sticker, one of which will say inside and the other will say outside. Position the door panels so that the inside sticker is facing up towards the inside of the cage, and the outside sticker is facing down towards the outside of the cage. Using the methods described in video H3005 corner joint assembly, build 3 sides of the frame using 1 vertical frame member and 2 horizontal frame members. Tighten the draw wedges until they are snug and will not pull out of the frame, but do not tighten completely. You want some movement in the joints for the time being, and you will tighten the screws again later. It may be easier to install the doors with the frame in an upright position, not lying on the floor. It is easier to show you how to install the doors with the frame off the floor, which is why the frame is lifted up in this video. Just remember which side of the frame is inside the cage and which is outside. In case you forget, the inside of the corner joints facing outside the cage are flat. The top and bottom edges of the door panels have narrow channels that will fit over the edges of the channel in the top and bottom horizontal frames. Pick up the door with the inside sticker first and orient it so that the sticker is toward the inside of the cage. Slide the narrow channel at the top and bottom of the door panel onto the inside edges of the horizontal frames. Slide the door all the way across the frame. Install the door panel with the outside sticker on the outside edges of the horizontal frames. This is the opposite edge of the channel that you install the other door onto. The doors should be able to slide past each other in the aluminum frame. The most important part of installing the doors is to get the orientation of the inside and outside stickers facing the right directions. If they are facing the wrong way, the doors will not slide correctly. Install the 2 remaining corner joints onto the unattached vertical frame, and then install the frame onto the open ends of the horizontal frames at the same time. Tighten all the socket screws completely. When you are finished, you should have a very solid front section with sliding doors.